In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export videos in DaVinci Resolve. Let's start by opening the DaVinci Resolve app. When it launches, you'll see the project manager. Select the project you want to export so it opens on the timeline. Take a moment to confirm your edit is final. Check titles, audio levels, and color, because the export will lock all of that into a single file. To move into export mode, look at the bottom of the interface and click the rocket icon. That takes you to the deliver page where you set everything for your final render. At the top, give your video a clear descriptive name, then click browse to choose a save location, pick a folder you can find easily, and consider adding a version number or date to the file name so you can track iterations. Keeping your exports organized will save you time later. Now choose a preset. If you want full control, select custom export. If you're aiming for a quick, reliable setup for a platform, pick a YouTube preset. Presets load recommended codecs and bit rates for smooth playback and upload, and you can still fine-tune any field afterward. Under custom export, you'll also see options like quality or bitrate controls. Higher bit rates mean larger files but preserve detail. For format, choose MP4 or QuickTime. MP4 is widely compatible and perfect for web, social media, and general playback. QuickTime is common in professional handoffs and can hold higher quality codecs if you're moving the file into another post workflow. For codec, choose H.264 for maximum compatibility or H.265 for similar quality at noticeably smaller file sizes. H.265 can take longer to render and may need newer hardware to decode smoothly, so stick with H.264 if you're unsure or sharing with a broad audience. Check resolution and frame rate and match them to your timeline settings. Keeping these consistent prevents stutter, ghosting, or extra processing. If your edit is 24, 25, or 30 frames per second, export at that same rate. Likewise, match your resolution, whether that's 1920 by 1080 for full HD or 3840 by 2160 for 4K. If you set in and out points on your timeline, Resolve will honor them. Otherwise, it renders the entire timeline. When your settings look good, click Add to Render Queue. Your job appears in the right-hand panel. You can queue multiple versions here, like a high-quality master and a smaller web copy before you start rendering. Finally, in the right-hand panel, click Render All. Resolve will process your timeline and write the final file to the folder you chose. Keep the app open until it finishes, then play the export to confirm the picture and sound meet your expectations. That's all you need to export confidently from DaVinci Resolve.